Have you ever wondered how the tiny devices around us make our lives so much easier? From your smartphone to your smartwatch, from LED lights to electric cars, it's all possible thanks to electronics. Electronics is the science of controlling electricity to make it do useful work. It all starts with the flow of electrons through components like resistors, capacitors, and transistors. These small parts might look simple, but together they form circuits that power almost everything in the modern world. Let's take a closer look. A resistor controls the amount of current flowing through a circuit. It's like a traffic controller for electricity. A capacitor stores and releases energy when needed, just like a small battery. And the transistor, one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century, works as a switch or an amplifier. Without transistors, we wouldn't have computers, smartphones, or the internet. When you combine these components, you can build anything from a simple LED flasher to a complex microprocessor. What's amazing is that all big inventions start with small experiments. That's why many engineers and inventors begin with DIY electronics projects at home. Learning electronics helps you understand how things work. For example, when you take apart an old gadget, you start recognizing parts, wires, chips, and sensors, and soon, you can fix or even build your own devices. Modern electronics are everywhere, in medical equipment that saves lives, in satellites that connect the world, and in renewable energy systems that protect our planet. Every innovation we see today, from smart homes to AI robots, depends on electronics and creativity. The best part is, you can start learning right now. You don't need expensive tools, just curiosity, patience, and a few basic components like LEDs, resistors, and breadboards. Start small, make mistakes, learn, and improve. Each project you finish brings you closer to understanding the invisible world that powers everything around us. So next time you turn on your phone or flip a light switch, remember, inside that simple action, thousands of tiny electrons are working together in perfect harmony. That's the magic of electronics, turning invisible energy into something real.